Welcome to Real Bites,
where we turn movies into menus.
Oh, shadows whisper in the corners of the night. Ooh, but we don't run, we rise and ignite. Take my hand, don't be afraid. Even hellfire bows to love we made. Flames behind me burning bright, I walk through danger like it's light. Every heartbeat sparks a fire, every step the demons tire. Healing breath, a calming glow, pull you back when battles grow. Even if the world is breaking, I'll hold you up, no hesitation. Light and shadow in my palm, balance everything with calm. Night is loud but fear is quiet, we make love a battle riot. Even when the world turns cold, feel the stories we still hold. Every scar becomes a spark. Winds arise, embrace your heart. Hellfire roars, but tear it apart. Hearts against hellfire, burning brighter than the night. Love becomes our armor, turning darkness into light. Hearts against hellfire, nothing breaks us when we stand. Even flames and shadows bow to the power in our hands. Yeah, the hearts against hell's body, build in power, bang the night. Hold the stars and bend the sky, I rewrite fate when demons fly. Glitch the dark, let pixels bloom, turn the rage into neon bloom. Tiny spark, but watch me strike. Turbo Q